Hi, welcome to a2zknowledge.com. So today we are going to discuss about how and where to start learning data science. And people are highly confused in recent days. So many of them started asking me like where to start, how to start. So I'm going to give you my learnings on top of this. So before I start this video, I just wanted to tell you you can be with any experience in IT, whether you are 2 years experience or you are a fresher or you are a 10 years experience guy is fine, but whatever the content I'm going to give now is common for all these peoples. And it's not like you need to be in data side already. So it means you before I start data science, I don't want to have any specific experience on data or any specific experience on only mathematics or only data. It's not like that. See, you can be from any background. You can be from mainframes, or you can be from support engineer, you can be a test engineer, you can be a mobile app developer or web app developer. You can enter into this. So people who have knowledge on data and mathematics, it will be easy for them, but still it's not like others. For others, it's not eligible to enter. It's not like that. Everybody can come and learn. So even you are from a civil engineering side also, or you are a chemical engineer also, you can still learn data science because everybody used to handle with data, right? Okay, now I'm going to tell you how to and where to start learning data science. Okay, so if people are very familiar about what I'm going to say, please you can skip the video. Fine. So very first important thing is mathematics and statistics are very important. So learning data science with mathematics and without mathematics, there is two ways. Yeah, it's there. Two proven ways are there, but learning means we have a programming languages in which we have a lot of mathematical library. It's a pre-built library. It's already there, but still, why I'm asking you to learn maths and stats first, then go into data science. So the reason is, see, you are doing some algorithm, you are writing a Python program, and you are giving the result, and how to validate the result. So you are telling me that this year I'll be increasing, my customers will be increased by 80 percentage. But what happened is, means it may or may not, right? You are giving a probability. So now that 80% what you said, how to validate it? So you have written an algorithm, and that algorithm has all of mathematical functions, but without knowing that you used predefined libraries, and you are giving me the result, right? So the debugging skill and validating and creating your own mathematical library skills will come only when you understand mathematics and statistics. See, 2 years back when I started learning data science, I'm not a mathematician and I'm not a data science yet. I'm a core data engineer even now. So when I started this, it took time for me to learn how to learn data science. Okay, so that is where I'm collectively giving all my learnings to you. So many of them last 2 weeks, same questions many people used to ask me, and that's why that made me to make this video. So mathematics and statistics are highly important. So what kind of concepts I need to know? So see, that means your high school mathematics is wide enough. So algebra, calculus, and vectors, graphs, equations. So all these topics are very much important. Simply, I can say your high school mathematics is very much important. Means it's very much enough for you to revise and you can have it. So if you are already a mathematician, then for you it will be easy to start data science. Or you are interested in mathematics, it will be easy for you. If you take people like me, I'm not that much interested in mathematics even in my school days. So that is one reason it took long time for me to understand the concepts. So people like me will take time for you to learn mathematical concepts and stuff. So maths and stats are very important. So some people used to straight away go to this and then they will start from here. Okay, so you can start, but still, as I told you, maths and stats are very much important for the long term. And then programming, so you understood max statistics and you need to apply this, right? So you need a programming language, so you can go ahead with Python and R. The reason why we suggest only these two language, we have Java, C++, the reason is Python and R has a lot of mathematical libraries. And even people used to ask me this question, why Python, why not R? So recent days, people are only using Python when we say data science. Why not R? Okay, there is a competition between Python and R. So Python has a lot of libraries, a lot of open source libraries, mathematical pre-built, in-built data science libraries, whereas in R we have very less. Means when I compare it to Python, it's very less. And that's the reason people used to go for Python. And Python is a very old language, and all the existing systems and the projects is also already running in Python. It's kind of proven. Okay, but R will come to the place one day. Means it's already there in place. Many projects are using, but compared to Python, R is little bit lower. Fine, it's again up to your use case and your interest. You can go ahead either Python or R. But as a, if imagine as a solution architect, I used to prefer Python because it's a proven one. But again, if you are a developer and you are an engineer, you can do a POC and you can conclude which is good and you can pick that one. And then comes to data science. When I use the word data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, deep learning, everything comes under the word data science. So you need to know what are all the data science frameworks are available, what are all the tools available, and what who are all the distributors who provide the data science as a service. So framework, for example, TensorFlow is a framework, right? So you need to know, so similar to what we have, and which one we can pick to apply all the three things what you have already learned. These three things you have to apply it on a framework, right? And what about distributors? Okay, companies who provide data science as a service, we call them as distributors. So who give environment for, means it will have complete environment of data science. You can go ahead and just start implementing your logic, that's it. So big companies used to have such environments already, and you will be just working your logics you will be writing in that particular distributions. I can give you an example. In Amazon Web Service, there is a data science as a service provider. And if you take Google Cloud, again providing data science as a service, Microsoft Azure has a data science service. So these Google, Microsoft, and AWS, we call them as distributors. Okay, and what are all the framework, means what are all the distributions name they have, that you can go ahead and check in their websites. So people used to ask me, in which distribution you are working with your data science project? Then I will be saying I am working on Google distribution, or I'll be telling I am working on Amazon Web Service distribution, so something like that. And then algorithms, yeah. So algorithms is something again required. So we have already a lot of algorithms outside, like trees algorithm, search algorithm, classification, navy basis algorithm, traveling salesperson algorithm. So you have linear regression algorithm. So you have a lot of algorithms. So we have some 15 to 15 algorithms which is widely used by data scientists. So you can just google it for top 10 data science algorithms, you will be getting it. So theoretically it's like algorithm is nothing but a data structure, right? So just try to learn it in theory first, try to understand what they are coming to say with respect to each of the algorithm that you take, and then start implementing it in through a programming language. Or first you can start with the paper and pencil, and then you can go ahead with implementing the algorithm through coding, write a pseudo code, then move on to code. So then once, so these algorithms internally has a lot of mathematical function, and that you need to know, and that's why I said max and stats are important. So these are all something as a prerequisite you have to start with, or this is a life cycle to learn data science. So as I'm again repeating you the system, so you could be from any years of experience, and you could be from any background of technology you are aware of, and you are even not even an IT guy is fine. But if you want to learn data science, you need to know those stuff, these stuffs, these whatever the five things I have written here. And also, if you are interested to learn databases, SQLs, and ETLs, yeah, fine, that is an additional. You can learn it. So it's an add-on for you. So now you can ask me, how about where to learn all this? Okay, first try to, since you are a beginner, first try to utilize YouTube. YouTube gives you a lot of free videos. Just have an idea on each of these topics. And then move on to some of the paid online courses like Coursera, Udemy. Go there and just search for. So if you search for data science, you will be getting millions of courses over there. Just pick one based on the ratings. And so it's very cheap, right? So you just pick one, just pay some amount, and just pick in Indian rupees, it will be like 400 rupees. A particular author's complete videos is 400 rupees in Indian rupees. So just go ahead and just see whether you could able to understand what they are saying or not. If you are not able to understand anything, then again you are not good in, or you are not good in basics. So you have to again refresh. Even for basics, you have videos over there. You have to search, and then only you have to plan to go for a training institute, a classroom training. See, classroom trainings are very costly compared to the online Coursera like Udemy stuff, but classroom trainings and training institutes are costly. So you need to be very, very cautious about what they are actually covering. If you go for a classroom training, make sure what they are actually covering, because most of the time I've seen most of the institutes, they are covering only these three. Okay, so they start all the data science stuff. They teach a lot of frameworks and they teach a lot of libraries. I'm not saying no for that, but they will teach everything. But they will start from here. So from directly from programming, data science, algorithms, everything. But see, they will say like data science course you can complete in 2 months, and some institutes are saying you can complete in 15 days. And people are getting satisfied. Even the students are getting satisfied. I don't know how, because you think this is what data science, what they are teaching. No, it's not like that. Data science is like a it's a big area. Covering it in 15 days, it's not possible actually. See, because they are not covering mathematics and statistics. If the institutes are ready to tell you that I cover algebra, calculus, derivations, vectors, graph, then you can go ahead. See, learning calculus itself will take 1 week for me if I spend 2 hours in a day. Then how come a class can be the complete data science course can be get completed in 15 days? I'm not blaming anyone. I'm just telling that if the course content has been included with max and statistic concepts, yeah, you can go ahead. Or you are already aware of max and stats, then fine, you can go with any institutes if you are get comfortable. That's it. But its investment is huge. So plan accordingly. That's what I'm coming to say. So just try to have all these informations. Maybe I will try to make videos like what are all the topics you need to know in max, what are all the topics you need to know in algorithm. So I will try to make a video. So I have a playlist link in the description box. Just go to that playlist and see whether the video is uploaded or not. So if there, then you can have those. I mean, by the time I didn't upload it, but maybe in future I will be uploading it. So that's why I'm saying. So just go to my playlist and check whether the videos are available. If so, then you can make use of it. So take your time to learn on your own only. If not possible or you need a support, then go for some paid courses or some paid training institutes, as I told you. So thanks for watching A2Z Knowledge.com. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, forward this to your friends and colleagues. We provide tech videos in two languages, English and Tamil. Not only theoretical video, we have a lot of practical videos as well in different technologies. And then I have given my LinkedIn URL and Instagram URL in the description box. If you want to contact me, you can contact me, and please follow me over there. Thanks for watching.